It's hot in here.
I work hard every day, I work hard every day,
What is up, rare ones and all of YouTube? Welcome back to Simply Rare TV. Today I'm going to be customizing my jean jacket that I got from H&M about a year ago. The concept on this jacket is a concept that came to me while listening to the song Elevate off of Drake's new album Scorpion. If you guys want to see how much it correlates to the song, go look at my Snapchat. I'm saying I'll leave my name down in the description below, so go ahead, hit me up on there if you want to see how the finished piece correlates to the jacket piece. The reason I didn't do an intro is because we got some work being done on our house today, all day today, and I didn't want to have that in the background, although it probably would have been funny as hell. But yeah, enjoy the custom. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification button, man. We got a bunch of crazy stuff coming, man. A bunch of customs, not just on shoes, not just on jackets, on everything, coming real soon to the channel. So just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, go ahead, hit that like button, go ahead, hit that bell, and make sure those notifications are set always. But you know what I'm saying, let's get brazen. Guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. Like I said before, subscribe, like, comment. I'm saying hit that notification button. Make sure it's set to always. The custom came out dope. There's gonna be a comparison video from light to dark coming up. The custom came out really dope. I can't wait to wear this thing out to my art show that I have coming up. But yeah, above all else, you guys, stay rare, simply rare. Peace.
I work hard every day.